Hello, my name is Cameron with Mav100, and this is Alexis, president of the Telenet Club for Cascade High School. She's moved on to Wazoo, but she's still heavily involved in everything that we're up to. And we've gone through some instructional videos from Intersect on how to become a dRep. And so Alexis can become a dRep today for the Telenet Club. All right, so first, what do we need to get started? We need a Cardano wallet, right, Lex?
Yep, and
Okay.
we have one on Eternal.
Okay, so which Cardano wallets can we use to get onto GovTools to connect?
Do you mean the browsers?
No, just which wallets?
Eternal, Lace, NuFi, and Yoroi.
Okay, and you brought up a good point. Which browsers do you have to be using?
Brave and Chrome.
Okay, so let's go ahead and jump onto gov.tools because we have our wallet all set up in Eternal.
Yep.
All right, so how do we connect?
We go to gov.tools and then we press Connect Wallet.
All right, pretty simple.
And then we go to the wallet of our choice, which will be Eternal instead of Lace.
Okay.
We're going to click on that.
All right.
Our wallet has been connected, and now we will become a dRep.
All right. And we've gone through this process before, so sometimes you may have to sign a transaction in order to connect. But right now, looks like we're good to go. Let's go ahead and try to become a dRep.
All right. I'm going to click Register, and then you have a list of roles and responsibilities.
Okay, and we've read through this.
Mm-hmm.
And we do have a refundable deposit of 500 ADA. Go ahead and hit continue. All right. So your dRep name.
Alexis,
and put in like CHS Telenet Club.
Oh, there cannot be any spaces.
Oh, just Alexis CHS Telenet Club. All right. Now, optional, what do we have here?
About you, motivations, qualifications, references.
Okay, and all this stuff we can fill in later, and people can adjust this as they go. Go ahead and go all the way down to the bottom. All right. Payment address. So let's go to our Eternal wallet. Oh, no. Go back to Chrome. Okay, go there. Yeah. All right, and go and copy that address. There you go. Nope, you're good.
Okay. And then
go back up to GovTools, I think.
GovTools.
Yeah, and just
then
paste it right
Control V.
All right, now we can continue.
Continue.
All right, okay, so what does it say?
Store and maintain the data yourself.
All right.
I agree to store correctly this information and maintain them over the years.
Deal.
Click register.
All right, and so information storage steps. So you want to read through this for us?
All right, so there are 3 steps. We have to download our file, save the chosen location, and enter the URL of that location in step 3. So first we have to download the file that they give us in step 1.
All right, that's been downloaded right there. Okay.
Now we save this file in a location that provides a public URL.
Okay, let's go ahead and we're good on that for now. Go ahead and click off of there. Let's go up to our gist.github.com, and this is where we instantly share code, notes, and snippets. So some people are going to use other platforms, but we're going to use GitHub. We already have our GitHub account set up, so go in and save that file. So go to downloads, kiddo. Yep, right there. Not right there. No, click on it again. Click on downloads. All right, now click on in the arrow there, that guy right there. Okay. All right. There it is. Good job. You dragged it right in, and then create secret gist. Actually, that's, yeah, we can make it secret for now. That's fine. Okay. All right. And then we save that URL up to where it says raw, is what they said in the video, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So go on up and click on the gist. Oh, click on raw. All right. There we go. So click up here at the beginning of gist. Go all the way. Okay. So put your cursor at the very beginning.
At the very, very beginning?
Yeah.
Okay, like this?
Yeah.
And then until here?
Yeah, until the end of raw. All right. Now copy that. All right. Now where do we go? We go back to GovTools.
GovTools. Paste the URL.
All right. And submit.
Submit.
GovTools is checking our data. All right. Let's go ahead. We'll put the Telnet Club password in.
Sign.
Yep. Transaction in process. Please wait. All right. So registration transaction has been submitted. Let me read the rest of that form.
The confirmation of your registration may take a bit of time, but you can track it using this link.
All right, let's go back to the dashboard. Okay. And what does it show under dRep registration?
The registration process is ongoing. This may take several minutes.
All right. And we can,
Oh, it's done.
All right. You can vote using, go and read that form.
You can vote using your own voting power combined with any voting power delegated to you.
All right. What else can you do down there? What is that it has right there underneath that?
You can show transaction.
And what's this?
It has your dRep ID.
All right. So you can copy and paste that on any of your socials to get the word out.
Mm-hmm.
All right. And we can view our details. Let's go ahead and do that. All right. There's everything. Voting power. So we can delegate to ourselves. We can do all kinds of stuff. Status is active. Has our payment address and everything. So looks like we're ready to go. All right. Thanks for your time. And yeah, we'll start getting a few more students ready to go on this as well.
See ya.